got him.
You got him, nice. Oh, that's a very nice pike. I got you, Rod. Alright, there you go. First pike of the day. First spot of the day. We fished about 5 minutes on that 4-inch swim bait.
A nice big one. Nice.
There you go. Hold on. Yeah, nice. Let's get the release.
God damn, I almost fell.
They are slippery.
No, I almost fell here, look.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
It's all good. Swam off nicely. Let's keep going. You got him? Whoops. Yeah, my friend, he stayed on the other side. I wasn't able to give him a GoPro. Hold on. Oh man. It's hard to tell, but it looks pretty nice. He's throwing that 4-inch swim bait. There's the release. Got, yeah. It might be a bass. Actually, no, it's a decent pike. Stop it.
Pike number 3 for today.
Pike number 3. There you go.
Nice little color pattern.
Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah. I seen him as soon as I casted it. Pretty nice one. Oh, fell in a hole. Oh, wow. Oh, man. He's nice. Stop it. There he is. Pike number 4. Pretty nice size. Oh, there we go with the release. Not so graceful, but swam off safely.